If you're using ClickFunnels, you already know how powerful it is for building funnels. But did you know you can run your entire email marketing strategy right inside ClickFunnels as well? With the ClickFunnels email app, you can create and send broadcasts, segment your audience, run split tests, and track performance, all without leaving your funnel building workspace. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your very first email broadcast, customize the design, and optimize for better results. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start sending high-converting emails. Let's jump in. First things first, let's navigate over to the email app. From your ClickFunnels dashboard, locate the email app under the apps within the left sidebar. If you're using the email app for the first time, you need to install the app first. Let's go ahead and do that. Tap on the Add Apps button and you'll be redirected to see all of the different apps within ClickFunnels. Locate Email, tap on it, and you'll see a button that says Configure Email Settings. Clicking on that button will open a window asking for some basic information. This is for setting up your sender details and improving email deliverability. Adding in the info helps ensure your emails reach inboxes while avoiding the spam filter. Now, once you've filled out the form, tap Save and then the window will close. Now click on Add App and another window will open. This is prompting you for your very first email broadcast. The name is for internal use only. It's not the subject line of your email, but rather how you'll identify the broadcast within your account. I'll create a newsletter example in this video, but give your broadcast the appropriate name and tap Create Broadcast. Now, before we jump into editing our first broadcast, let's take a look at how to navigate to the email app and what's in the dashboard. With the email app now fully installed, it should appear on your left sidebar under Apps. Clicking on the app will open up the email workspace, and this is where all of your email broadcasts that you create will live. As this starts to fill up, you can sort by drafted, scheduled, and sent broadcasts for quicker navigation. I also want to redirect your attention to this button where it says Learn More About Broadcasts. Tapping on it will open the ClickFunnels support with the AI assistant, and this is incredibly helpful for any specific questions you may have. Always point back to the assistant if you have any specific questions regarding the process. That being said, let's go back in and edit the broadcast we created. Tap on the broadcast created from the list, and on the new page here, you'll see the Design Email button, and this is where we will go through all of the different design elements. For now, let's fill out the rest of the fields before jumping into templates and design. Right below here, we have broadcast topics, which categorize your emails and help subscribers manage their preferences. They improve engagement, reduce unsubscribes, and enhance targeting. You can also add multiple topics to better organize your emails and give subscribers more control over the types of content they receive. To create a new topic, you want to take a detour over to your workspace settings. Then navigate to Email Settings and select the Topics tab. Once you've added in a new topic, it will become available when creating or editing a broadcast. Now let's talk about the audience for this email broadcast. The drop-down menu offers a variety of filters, allowing you to be as general or specific as you need when selecting your audience. You can filter by contact attributes, so things such as tags, email addresses, or name. There's contact activity, so you could select anyone who has enrolled into a specific course or anyone who has viewed a specific funnel step. There's product-specific filters, so anyone who has purchased a specific product. And then there's also broadcast-specific filters. So these filters really allow you to fine-tune your recipient list, ensuring your emails reach the right people for better engagement and performance. Once you've created the perfect audience list, you can set email options, which includes the email addresses the broadcast is being sent from, as well as the reply to email address. By default, you should have a no reply at your domain. The sender name can also be adjusted if necessary. To change or add an email address to send from, head over to the email settings again within the workspace settings. Here you can add, remove, or edit any email addresses. Next is the subject line and the pre-header text. These appear first in your broadcast, so it's really important to craft them strategically for maximum impact. Right below is a toggle for split tests, which allow you to send two variations of an email to different segments of your audience to see which performs better. You can test different elements for open rate improvement, boosting click-through rates, and optimizing send times, so we encourage you to explore split testing. For now, I'll keep split testing off and we'll take a look at the sending options. We can either send out the broadcast immediately upon publishing or at a scheduled time. Directly below on a toggle is the Smart Sending feature, which optimizes email delivery and open rates by sending emails in batches. This avoids spam flags and keeps email service providers happy by spreading out sending times. Now that all the parameters have been laid out for the broadcast, let's shift our focus back up at the top and dive into design elements of the email. Tap on the Design Email button and a window with a variety of templates will open. There are category filters on the left depending on what type of broadcast you want to send. You can also save templates into the My Templates section. Before selecting a template, you can preview it and the example will open in a separate window. If you so choose, you can always start from a blank template. Now, once the selected template has been chosen, you'll load into the editor where everything can be adjusted, changed out, or modified in multiple ways. As we hover over the page, you'll see how different elements are highlighted. As you select something, all of the settings and parameters will open on the right side, giving you full control of how the page will look. Of course, working with a template, you'll want to change out everything starting from the banner image all the way to the signature or sign-off. Before sending, review your page thoroughly to remove any leftover template elements. We recommend sending a test email first to see how exactly your broadcast will appear to recipients. Once you're satisfied with the design, tap Publish and Exit to save your email. That covers both the design and setup of your broadcast. The final step is scheduling. Just tap the button in the top right corner. A confirmation window will appear, and once confirmed, your email broadcast is officially scheduled. Congratulations! Of course, we want to make sure that we can track our broadcast performance over time. To view analytics, tap back on the broadcast from the main screen. Once the email has been sent and data starts coming in, you'll be able to track key metrics like revenue details and overall performance. And that's it. You've just built and scheduled your very first email broadcast inside ClickFunnels. Now you're fully equipped to send high-converting emails, keep your audience engaged, and track real results, all without ever leaving your funnel building workspace. Take what you've learned here and start experimenting with different subject lines, audience filters, and split tests to refine your strategy. The more you optimize, the better your results will be. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other ClickFunnels walkthroughs for even more ways to grow your business. Time to elevate your email marketing.